I think the biggest benefit that I have is I have a pretty large database. I think we're at like 13,000 plus. And of course, that's hard for anything to stay on top of. But I think what I love the most is I have a system and a process, and I can regularly go through and scrub my database. Also, as leads come in, I can have AI calling, I can have text message. So it gets the cream to rise to the top. And what I do also is I take people who say they're not interested, and I can put them over on a site, and then we can reload them like every 6 months. And so it keeps like, scrubbing that list, keeps like bringing forward leads. My very, very favorite thing is the speed to lead. A lead drops in and immediately is getting called. Then there's text messaging, follow up, and it just feels like things don't fall through the cracks as much as they used to. I've been trying to do my own agent attraction. I've done a couple of events a year, and then I have like a monthly in-person event. It felt clunky and slow by myself. Like I was just taking our realtor list, making phone calls, doing that. And it was okay. But then I partnered with you guys. You guys built this funnel, and I was just really surprised on I think the first weekend we had 8 leads. In like 3 days, we had 8 leads, and it was like great. And we've already booked 3 appointments off of those 8 leads, and it hasn't even been running a full 2 weeks. So I'm super excited because here I am making phone calls, 3 hours a day, trying to get a couple of people to come to these in-person events. And then you guys create a funnel, and all of a sudden I have people wanting me to call them. And so it's been really powerful. I'm super excited to see where it keeps going. I love how easy it is to get help. Like you guys are very communicative. And I know there's different levels with the packages you buy, but I pay for everything. I'm I pay for the whole everything. So I have a personal click line, and I love that I can quickly just anytime I'm thinking of anything day or night, I can just drop it in there, and you guys are so responsive and follow up, and I can always see what's going on. So that's been powerful. But also, I love the open office hours. And I tell people all the time, if you're working on your CRM, do it when you have open office hours, because it's really easy to while you're going through this anyways, if you have a question, just jump in. And I love that they take you into your own private room. You can work one-on-one together. They help work through everything. And then just on the dashboard, you have live chat just down in the bottom right-hand corner. And people reply to that within minutes. It's just really fast and responsive. I never have a problem communicating or finding out what's going on. So I like that.